Welcome to Money and Investing Talk with Ali Shahraki and Kian. In this session, we're going to be talking about how are we going to make money online with zero startup. And we have Kiana here as well, which she's got some nice idea. So I thought, why not? She can come and share with you guys as well. So Kiana, how can you make money online?
Well, when you start, you have nothing. But ways to start off is, if you want to be creative and you like being creative, you can go onto websites and find things that you can make into your own things and then sell it on your website, and then you can get money. And then when you get the money, you make more stuff, and then you invest it, and then you can grow your properties.
That was like the whole wealth system. You go to work, be creative, make art, sell it online, and then you can save your money and then go and invest inside property. Oh man, I can't wait to see what she's gonna be doing. Kian, what about you? You run a course, online marketing business.
Yeah.
How can you make money online?
So there's two ways of making money. So you go to work, you have a 9 to 5 job, and then the money you make, you invest into stock market. Then you let that money grow and you spend off the investment. Then the second thing is you don't have a job, and then first you grow a business, you make the money, then you start investing. Now, before you grow a business, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you have a niche. Now, the first thing we start off with in my course, the first thing I'll start off and help you with is selecting your niche. Because first of all, you need to know which industry are you going to be in. And that's the first thing we teach people in our course. Then the second thing is the marketing skills, how to market your business. So these are the two main problems that business owners have. The first thing is when they're growing their business and they're starting a business, they either don't have their niche or they don't know how to market it. For example, running Facebook ads and bringing traffic to their website. Now, yes, it may take 1 or 2 weeks to make the Facebook ads, make the website, and start bringing traffic in. But once you start making the Facebook ads, making the websites, and traffic comes in, it's just on automation. So once it's on automation, you can just go, for example, me and my dad, we go for walks and you see all the stuff while we're still making money. And our ads are still bringing in customers for us. And that's how you don't let your time work. You don't change your time for money.
Yeah.
Or you have the second option. You can just go to have a 9 to 5 job from morning to night. You keep working. And for many years, you keep working. And you can enjoy enjoy your life.
Well, now in this pandemic, I think it's very important for people to start some sort of business online. As you mentioned, you are right on, or you have money, you have some saving, you want to start, growing your money more further, which then you go to investing. We teach investing in our course. Or you don't have no money, you don't have no business. It's wrong for you to go on an investing course if you haven't got no money at all, because you gotta have something. That's what they call investing course, right? So the best thing is to start making money from other means, like for example,
having an online business.
selling any product or any service online. You can sell product or you can sell services online. These days very easy by drop shipping. You can literally go to site like
Shopify and Printful and all these sites.
Yeah, you can sell t-shirt and stuff from there, or you can go to Alibaba Express. Look at the product. For example, with zero startup, how you can start is to go to Alibaba Express, find a product which has got lots of reviews. So because they come from China, Alibaba Express come from China. So you want to get the product which has got lots of reviews, and then go and check on eBay or check on Amazon or check on the other side how much is been sold for, then you can just copy the details of that, copy the picture of that, put it on your site, and then you start selling it. But you say the delivery date is going to be in 4 weeks time. As soon as somebody come, you haven't got no money, you just have to put the picture there. As soon as somebody come and they bought that product, then you go to that person in Alibaba Express and you just order it from there, and then you ask that person to send it to the person who bought the product from you. And even if 1 in 3 is broken, still the prices are much more cheaper, or from China. So you buy it much more cheaper, you're selling it here more expensive. And even if 1 or 2 is broken, or if it's not good quality, you simply just say to your customer, you know what, just keep it or throw it away, and you send them a replacement to keep your customer happy. And you can afford to do that, because literally, if you go and check, for example, a hard drive being like £10 on Alibaba Express, all hard drive come from China anyway, right? You can sell it for £30, £40. Like Amazon, £36, £40 is one hard drive. Or on eBay, you can sell it 3 or 4 times more than how much you're buying it, and then that helps you to afford to be able to have a good warranty for it. So if somebody said to you, look, this is not working or it's broken, straight away say, you know what, just put in a bin, get another one, to make sure you have your customer service really good and good quality. Now, maybe you say, Ali, I don't want to be selling product. It's too much hassle. Then you can sell service. You have to sit down and think, what kind of skill do you have? There are many people out there. They love to learn the skill you have. For example, for many years, I was doing trading, and I didn't know people actually interested to learn trading, right? So I spend the time, I spend the money, and this is my hobby. I love to learn it. Then I realized, people like to learn this skill from it. So I create the course for it. I record myself. All you have to do, just you do some record. For example, maybe you're a really good cook, so you do some recording of you cooking your recipes. You put inside membership area, then you don't need to do anything anymore.
Like I say, it may take some time to set up, but then after it's there and it's on automation.
Yeah, so it's going to take you maybe a week or so to record your videos of the skill you have, teaching your skill to other people. And then the marketing part, you set up your ads, and then you let it go out viral. This lady, she was a lady police officer, and what she did, she made 4 videos of how to use fake eyelashes, and then at the back of it, she was selling eyelashes as well. So she made 4 videos, and then she made a membership site.
Just 4 videos.
Only 4 videos. And then she created the membership site for that. People was paying £1, £2 per month to have. It's not even £1, £2. But then the thing is, she has 14,000 subscribers all around the world.
Okay.
That's 14,000 times 2. That's £28,000 a month. She was earning just from that 4 or 5 videos she made. And it's only £1 a month. Nobody goes and cancel the £1 a month subscription. Many of them, they are just paying it. They never cancel it.
Yeah.
Because only £1 or £2. But for her, it's 28. That made her to literally not to go to work anymore as a police officer.
A police officer.
Yeah. And then the money you're earning from there, then you can bring it inside the investment and start investing it to help you to grow more further. It's up to you. You got to see what you love to do, what you enjoy doing, and it's possible for most of the job to move online. Do you want to sell products? Do you want to sell services? First, you have to choose that. Then, in which niche is gonna be.
And we'll cover in our course.
Yeah, in Kian course, Kian covers that fully. In the first day, he helps people to decide about their niche, and then they get on with what kind of site they need. Do they need a sales funnel? Do they need lead magnet funnel? What do they need?
Before you set up a business or do anything online, first you need to find out, what is my niche? What am I passionate about?
Mm-hmm.
For example, mine is wealth.
Mm-hmm.
Or she's health.
Yeah.
And yours is wealth.
Yeah.
And then you have to find your product. What are you going to be giving to people? Like are you selling service, or are you selling your product? What are you selling?
Yeah.
Then third of all, you need a sales website. Now, the difference between a sales website and a normal website is, a normal website is just like a catalog.
Yeah.
They just scroll down, they get what they want, they just leave.
Yeah.
A sales website is like a McDonald's drive-thru. it actually keeps leading you. It just keeps taking you to next step. Do you want this? And then you come out, end up spending a lot.
Basically, the sales website is like McDonald's. It
Yeah.
just makes sure you remember what you need to buy. For example, if you bought a burger, he's asking you, do you want to buy a Coke as well? Do you
Yeah.
want to buy fries as well?
Upselling you.
Whatever. Yeah, that's what we call upselling there.
Yeah.
And basically, just make sure you got everything you need to use the first product you bought.
Yeah, and now you might be saying, "Oh, but I don't know how to set up a sales website, or I don't know how to do stuff." Don't worry, we cover all of this in my course. I teach you how to make lead generation. So starting from just collecting emails, then to making product launch funnels, to actually launching your product, then to case study funnels, to getting reviews from the products from people who have been in your course, then moving on and on.
Yeah, and it's not just about you coming and joining Kian course. In any journey, sometimes you need to go and learn a skill. I had to go and learn the different skill to be able to have a different job. So if you are moving niche and you are moving from one job to another and you want to start a new business, you have to start learning the skill requires for that job. So I'm gonna put the link for Kian webinar, and he's providing it very cheap.
Free
Is it £39 a month?
It's a free webinar. It's £39 a month, or you can pay $250 yearly.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna put the link inside the description of this post. If you want, go and have a look at it. Watch the webinar. See if you are interested. You can go and join his program, which he helps you with all aspect of online marketing. And every Wednesday, every Wednesday you actually have live session as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Literally sitting there, holding people's hand, and moving them from step by step. If you have any problem, he's just there to answer your question. Make sure you are not going to be stuck.
Yeah.
Anything else you want to add, Kian?
No, I'm fine with that.
It's been great, guys. Find out what you love to sell, what you love to do. Anything is possible online. Whatever you want to do is possible. Selling product or service, first you have to make decision on that. The second thing, you need to find your niche, and then you need to start selling it. Simple.
Yeah. Just start.
You have to just get on with it and start selling.
Because I need to join that. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you very much. See you guys. And this is, and if you have any comment, if you want us to cover something specifically, please write it down inside the comment.
Specific question.
Any specific question, just write it inside the comment. Like and subscribe to our video channel, to
our YouTube
Facebook,
channel, our Facebook page, our Instagram page, everything. We massively appreciate the support from you guys.
We are not getting anything out of this podcast. It's just educational part to educate people about money.
What money is.
Yeah, about money and investing, because many people, they have no idea about money and what you're supposed to do with it, and how to make it. They just get up in the morning, go to the job, just earn enough to be able to pay for bills, and that's it.
Yeah.
And they never enjoy life because they haven't got no plan why they are going to work, how much they need. Then they can find out what job,
And that's the point of this podcast, to bring awareness to people what money actually is, what they can do to spend more time with their family while they're still earning income.
Exactly. It is possible, but it's hard work at the beginning of it because you have to do learning.
Yeah.
Thank you for attending, and see you on the next week.
See you guys.